Hi Sagittarius, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for December 2020. Before we dive into the video, do us a favor and click the like button to help spread the word about Tarot with Ariana Stark. Also make sure to subscribe in case you haven't already done so. By doing so, you won't miss out on our future videos. This is the holiday season and I would like to take this opportunity to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year ahead. Sagittarius, I will rely on Tarot for your overall messages. Towards the final days of November, stepping into December, we have the Empress card. You were at your creative best. You were coming across as someone who was quite magnetic. Besides, I think you had got positive feedback and you desired good remuneration, or maybe you desired a good pay for whatever work offers that had come your way. Maybe there were also disagreements with your family members or loved ones on account of inconsequential matters. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Page of Pentacles. Minor gains can be expected this month, no doubt, Sagittarius, but then maybe you may feel that you're being promised much, but then you have to settle for less. In this month also there will be increased communication. Maybe you'll be sought after for your words of wisdom. It seems that you always have all the answers. Maybe there's also family elders are facing a cash crunch, so you may pull in and you may contribute towards the family purse. Influences for the month, we have the Seven of Cups. You have choices in front of you and you are contemplating how to proceed. I'm also picking up that many of you will be quite nostalgic. You may be thinking about your past. Ideally, Sagittarians, you should avoid meddlesome behavior. Maybe you're emotional and upset about your present life, or maybe you think that there are too many impediments or too many restrictions. Some people may also accuse you of being selfish or self-centered and self-seeking. Nonetheless, I think you may also feel boredom with your job. Still, I think praise will come your way from your superior. She finds you competent. But maybe she's never going to tell you to your face. Perhaps in a roundabout manner, you could come to know that she finds you quite competent and quite efficient at your work. Some of you may also desire an increase in your salary, but then it is not going to come your way. Other than that, I'm also picking up, Sagittarians, that strange people could re-enter your life. Maybe you consider the person someone who should be away from your life. That's why you're very upset about this person trying to reconnect with you or your family members. The first 10 days of December, we have the Death card. Change is quite likely in this period. You have to adjust to the changes rather than create a barrier, or rather than create obstacles in your path, because obstacles will only make the change more difficult to handle. Transition period can never be easy, but you will definitely gain some insight from this period. There will also be emergency situations that you have to handle. Maybe there are pressing matters that you have to attend to. Nonetheless, tasks will be done one after the other and it will be done quickly. Those who are working, you'll be quite happy with your productivity, or you'll be happy with the output. Also, while dealing with clients, I think Sagittarians should make allowances, because it's better to make some gains rather than have nothing at all. As the leader of the pack, you will get appreciation from colleagues and co-workers. Maybe you're being or you're giving them the freedom to carry on the task the way they want to, so that is why they are quite appreciative of you. However, there'll be a section of employees who may remain ungrateful. They could even question your judgment. Some gains can be expected. Maybe it's not up to your expectations. Still, something is better than nothing, like I said. This period also, I think you will lay threadbare the antics of your rival. Maybe your rival is always out to put you down, or always trying up to some mischief. So you'll have a hard talk with the management or with the administration. Largely, I think the timely intervention from the management could work in your favor. Towards 11th to 20th December, we have the Ace of Wands. Paperwork will increase. There will be technical work as well. Maybe you will seek assistance from other people and you will be able to carry on with the work. But you should also be careful. There could be black magic, or there could be unhealthy or unwanted negative energy around you. So you need to do aura cleansing. This period also, I think you'll be desiring newness. You want to be more creative, or you want something new, because like I said, boredom could set in your job. So you want to do something which could do justice to your creativity. While working ahead, you should also focus on all the details. Maybe you will overlook the fine print, so there could be minor things which could be overlooked, and this could mean a bigger loss in the long run. So should focus on the contract, or if it's paperwork related to your contract or anything, then you should commit yourself only after payment has been made as well. Basically, Sagittarians, I think you should not allow anyone to take you for a ride. Sometimes you may also feel that at work your views are being ignored. Maybe you are not happy that your superior is favoring another person whom you regard as a rival. So that is why there could be disagreements, or you could be distressed about the situation. This month will also bring in new opportunities. Like I said, a work offer could also be there. Your relationships also will improve. Another card we have is Ace of Swords. So you are going to cut through the obstacles, no doubt. You are going to make headway in the last few days of the month. Your energy is good, and that is why you are carrying forward that energy, and you are moving forward from between 11th to the 31st of December. I mean, you will feel an uprush of energy. But in this period, you should also be careful, because there could be misunderstandings. Maybe your words are being misconstrued. Many Sagittarians will also crave financial independence in this time. There will also be excess activity, so maybe you have too much on your plate, so that is why you don't have the time to focus on everything. I'm also picking up Sagittarians that there could be outstation offers, but you could decline them. Whatever it is your quick thinking and your quick decision making which will help you make inroads. In fact, you will find that deals are being finalized very quickly in case you are dealing with the client, and that you are being paid pronto. Sometimes you may also feel that last minute deals are also inked. Like I said, you should also be careful of the paperwork when you are dealing with the person, official transaction. Whatever you are doing, you should be very careful, or you should keep your eyes and ears open. On the love front, I think there will be marriage proposals for you Sagittarians, but then it may not work out. We have the card Bound. So maybe you are feeling chained in a relationship. Maybe it's a bit claustrophobic, or there is unwanted attention that is coming your way. In case you are in a relationship which is unhappy, then you need to break free from it. Those who are crushing on someone, I think you will continue to cyberstalk the person. In case you are in an on and again, off again relationship, Sagittarians, I think that you will be hearing from the person, so it can come as a bolt from the blue. And this could leave you a bit overwhelmed as well. I think some of you may also be forced to communicate with that person who has stolen your heart, because there's a family problem. So maybe the conditions are such that you are being forced to communicate, or you're being bound, or under pressure you're communicating. But then the person is definitely going to help you out. Those who are already romancing, I think you would want your person to be more demonstrative. Maybe you think that he is not romantic as you would have liked. At times there's also no communication between the two of you. Whatever it is, there's some sexual tension also in this reading which I'm picking up. The Bound card also reminds me of the Devil card of the Tarot. So there's sexual energy, no doubt. Sexual chemistry is there. Married Sagittarians, I think you may be annoyed as situations may arise when you may feel that as if you're being blamed for no rhyme or reason. As parents, you may also be concerned about your child's health. All in all, I think in this month, with respect to your love, with respect to your marital life, I think you'll be dealing with your partner who is quite fussy. From the Angel Therapy deck, we have the card Cancel, Clear and Delete. Use only positive words and thoughts as they are rapidly manifesting into form. Ask the angels to cancel the negative or the effects of past negative thinking. That's the card here, right here. So do away with unhealthy situations, unhealthy feelings, or remove yourself from people who are always eating into your energy, or who are they may be playing havoc with your with your feelings and emotions. Maybe they are energy vampires. Another card we have here is practice. Polish your skills by practicing regularly. This lady here, she is playing the musical instrument. I think it's a bagpiper. No, it's the flute over here. So in case you're working with a musical instrument, or in case you have a creative idea or a hobby, then you need to enhance your skills further. You need to practice. Maybe you could take the assistance of a guru or a teacher who could help you out in this situation. I hope, Sagittarius, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading, which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.